For this construction, we'll be constructing an angle congruent to a given angle. So I'm going to move to the next slide where I have some angles, and I will be constructing an angle congruent to angle ABC. So what I'll do, just like last time, is I'm going to create a workspace, and I'll make my workspace green again. And so I'm going to give myself a ray. And this ray will be one of the sides and the vertex of the angle I construct. So the next thing I'll do is I'm going to use black, and I'll take my compass, and I'm going to place my compass at the vertex and draw a large arc that intersects both sides. So I'll put this at the vertex, make it slightly larger. And I want to intersect both of these sides. Once I've done that, I'm going to draw the points at the intersection of the side and the arc. Here's a point, and here's a point. Notice that when I draw the arc, I am not going through point C or point A. Those points are irrelevant. They're there to name my angle. They're not non-essential for the construction. So I'm going to go back to my compass, and without changing the setting, I'm going to place the compass at the vertex for the angle that I'll be constructing, which is in my workspace. And again, I'm going to draw a large arc. Once I have the arc, you'll notice another intersection between the arc and my ray. I'm going to put a point there. And I'll go back to my compass. So the next step is to place my compass at one of the intersection points on the side. So I'm going to put it at this point, and I'm going to adjust my setting so that the pencil would go through the other intersection point. And to show that I've done this measurement, I'm going to put a little arc right there. Without changing the setting, I'm going to move the compass to my other intersection between the arc and the side, which is down here, and I'm going to give myself an arc to work with. If you notice here, the arcs intersect. That's going to be another point. So I can use my tool to put a point at that intersection. And my last step will be to use my straight edge to draw a line from my ray, from my vertex through this intersection to construct the other side. So I place my straight edge at the vertex, and it needs to go through this other intersection of the arcs. And so now this angle that I've constructed is congruent to angle ABC.